This is Morgan Radford. Tonight, Puerto Rico in the bullseye, preparing for what could be one of the biggest hurricanes the island has ever seen.
It's a huge storm, so people are really worried about it.
The governor today asking President Trump to declare a federal disaster, saying the magnitude of this event is beyond the capabilities of his government. This, as FEMA says, they have 300,000 meals and 500,000 liters of water ready to go.
We have a Category 5 approaching our area, so the message is for the people to get ready.
500 buildings across the island are being turned into emergency response centers like this one.
You can see people behind me here. They're loading generators on truck. They have boats here at the ready to help those more than 62,000 people who might be displaced.
The mayor of San Juan here in the shelter preparing meals, ready to spend the night.
Mayors are no better than people, and people need to know that their mayor is there.
There on a tiny island, bracing for a heavy hit.
The president has just accepted the governor's request to declare a federal state of emergency for Puerto Rico. And if you look here just behind me, you can see those clouds getting darker, those waves getting choppier as Irma is headed our way.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.